have a couple more tips for you about how to stay raw vegan on a budget. These are some of the tips that I've used over my 26 years of being raw vegan. And this is Karen Ranzi. I would like to tell you about some of my very favorite tips, which are first, making sure that most of your food is purchased seasonally. So what I mean by that is that I'm not going to be buying cherries in the winter. There are certain staples, such as bananas, that are around year-round, and they are also rather cheap. But I'm not going to buy something like cherries or melons in the winter. They're also very cooling, and I like the more warming foods. So I also bulk up on greens in the winter time. So buying seasonally and also buying locally. Now, when I buy locally, even in the wintertime, I go to a farmer who has greenhouses when I can't grow much here, except for sprouting on my counter. And I get like 2 or 3 lettuces in one bag that would cost me the same amount for one lettuce at the store. So I look for local farmers, and there's local organic farmers. You can also look for local biodynamic farmers. And those farmers, that's even a step up from organic. So check out biodynamic. And then the other thing is foraging for wild edibles. Now, if you don't spray your lawn, you could even eat the dandelion weeds that are growing on your lawn. And those are highly nutritious and they are free. So there are many foods that are considered weeds that are actually extremely healthy for you. Things like dandelion and nettles and sorrel and lamb's quarter and so many more. So those are all free and super nutritious because they are not even planted on soil that has been farmed over and over again. So those are 3 more wonderful tips that I can give you about staying raw vegan on a budget, cost-effective living. I hope you'll join me tomorrow for my last tips on how to stay raw vegan on a budget. This is Karen Ranzi signing off, but I hope that you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel and please comment below if you have any good information about buying locally, foraging, and buying seasonally.